Every platform says they have a content editor. You know the one. Drag this, click that, build something simple. But we didn't build that. We built something entirely different. This is Nodulus. And it's not just an editor. It's a programming language inside virtual reality. Students aren't just consuming content anymore. They're building it. They can create a calculator, learn how logic flows actually work, or build an entire game from scratch. And for teachers, it's just as powerful. Full customizable options, such as, if a student scores 80% or better, open the next level automatically. Trigger videos, unlock environments, or build full escape rooms tied directly to your curriculum. This is where learning becomes interactive, where logic becomes visible, where students become creators. Bottom line, VXRLabs is more than just a place to learn. It's a place to build, code, and create. Nodulus, now included with every VXRLabs subscription.